Hi, this is Julie with Three Sister Sundries. I'm back today to do, do another page in my December documented. As you remember, we left off with day 8 with the cookie die cut set. And check the links for the video that I did this one and announced another giveaway. But today I'm going to work on the back of page 8 and I want to create a quilt. I recently got a hexagon punch and I want to try it out. So I'm going to create a quilt on the back with hopefully some scraps and some smaller papers from the 6x6 pad. So I'm going to get out the scraps that I have in here. Not a lot, but I kind of want to just make it like it's a cozy Christmas, you know, for like in front of the fire or cuddling up in a blanket watching TV or something like that. So I'm just going to cut, here's another scrap, cut some of these papers and arrange them on the quilt. I'm going to pop a few of them up and just kind of arrange them in a cascading order down the page. So I will speed this up and you can just watch while I do it. Okay, there is my quilt. I've added a cute little hot chocolate sticker from the sticker pack and one of the little mice that I colored. And then I added the number 9. And so that is day 9. So cute. I have a little bit of room for some pictures there. But I've popped up 3 of the quilt's squares or hexagons, and if you don't have a hexagon punch you could cut out little squares to make a quilt, or if you have a cutting machine you could cut out a bunch of hexagons on that. Circles with a circle punch, however you want to do it. It does not have to be hexagons. Any shape would be cute. Anyway, so there's that. For day 10, I'm going to go fairly neutral. It's my husband's birthday that day, and so I don't like to do Christmas things for his birthday. So I'm going to just use craft cardstock. I'm going to cut it to 6 by 8. And I will be using just plain papers that tie into the collection, but not Christmas. So, I'm going to do a waterfall. Let's see. Let's go with this green plaid for one of them. Let's see. I didn't really figure out how big I wanted to make these. So, I probably ought to punch my holes first thing, shouldn't I? So let me scoot that out of the way. Cut my holes. And let's see, I want to probably leave room for a main photo up here, so maybe at least 2 or 3 inches down. So I think I want to do a waterfall down here. So if I do 3 inches, that will leave me 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half-ish maybe inches. So I think I will do kind of rectangular waterfall pieces that maybe I could put 2 by 3 pictures on, or maybe 3 by 4. So let me do 3 by 4. Let's cut this at 3 inches. And then, oh, let me think. That may not work because I need to do a score mark. Maybe that will work. We'll just do a small score mark. Let's see, let's do some of this mustard polka dot. So cut all these at 3 inches by 4 inches. Let's add a red. We'll add a bit of glitter, even though, you know, it's my husband's birthday. He probably won't appreciate glitter, but it'll add a little bit more interest to the page. And maybe one more. Let's see what other... I don't think he'd appreciate pink very much. Let's add another green. Ooh, I maybe even could do a plaid. Let's see, what is this cut at? Oh, look at that, 4 inches. I think I'm going to add this one. It just has snowflakes on the back. So let's add that one. Okay. And we'll see what we can fit. So I'm going to score each one of these. And you know what, if I just do the waterfall without a main picture, I can put one of the main pictures on here, so I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, so I'm going to score each one of these on the back side at 1/4 of an inch. Ooh, that one is kind of thick. This one is a really heavy paper also. Oh, went off. Went off road there. Okay, and then I'm going to crease each one of these so that they will be able to fold up easily. Start at the bottom and work our way up, I think. And I think I'll leave a little bit on the edge so I can add some trim or some washi or something. And I am just going to glue these so that, well, that'll give us a little bit of room for a picture. Okay. I've been having glue malfunctions, so let's hope for the best here. I think I'll start about right here. Maybe I should get my T-square. Yucky glue. Get my T-square. Hey, I did pretty good getting that down straight. Oh, yeah, glue malfunction. Yuck. And then the next ones will just butt up against that first one. So each one, as I go down, I'll just butt up against the one above. Alright, well that does not take up a lot of room on that page, so I think what I'm going to do, I can leave that up there for room for a picture, and I think I'll put some trim there and spell out happy birthday down at the bottom. Okay, I've got my happy birthday on there, so let's pick some washi that's not going to be too feminine. Oh, let's see. Polka dots, is that too feminine? Maybe these stripes, although they are Christmas colors. Let's see. Maybe this gold kind of arrowy one. So if you don't have any birthdays in December, this could be, you know, whatever you want it to be. This would hold quite a few pictures, so if you have an event that you have a lot of pictures of, then you can use it for that. I think I'll leave a little bit of a border and lay that down like that. I'm just going to tear it off and then trim it. I know this one's kind of a boring page, and maybe I will add a mat for a photo up there. So let me see how much room I have left. I have 2 1/4-ish. So maybe I will make a mat that is a little less than 2 1/4 by 3, maybe. Maybe 3 1/4. Let's see. I might make it the glitter. So let's see. And that will also remind me that That's what that spot is for. Ooh, that's not very big. That won't be a very, very big photo. But that's okay. So I think I'll just center that. And I am not going to use my malfunctioning glue. Lay that down with some tape runner. Okay, and then I need to choose a number. So, maybe since we have red glitter paper, I will use green glitter letters, or numbers. So I have a 1, and maybe I was thinking I wanted to punch out a circle. So let me grab my circle punch. Will 1 inch be enough? Probably not. Alright, this one, I'm not sure how big this one is. They never tell you on these ones. It is 1.5 inches, it looks like. Let's see, I have 1.25 inches. Let me just see which one. No, I think we're going to have to go with the 1.5 inches. So let me maybe get the green plaid. Okay, I found my scrap. So let me cut a circle. Hopefully this won't clash with my numbers. Hopefully they'll show up. Okay, I'm gonna have to use my glue. I'm not sure those green numbers are gonna stay on either. And then kind of overlap the mat, and there won't be any glue under that, so I can slip the picture under. Kind of overlap that to give it a little more interest. All right. I think that will do it for today. So let's put this one in the book. Alright, so here's what we did today. Ugh, get everything out of the way. We did our little quilt with a few of them popped up, just cascading down with our cute little mouse. And then a waterfall for pictures, for lots of pictures. And, you know, like I said, if you don't have a birthday, you can put, you know, anything from the ephemera pack or some stickers or anything instead of the happy birthday. So I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you soon for the next one.